This WZRELB 3000-watt 36-volt split-phase inverter acts like a translator for electricity. It takes the 36-volt DC power from batteries. Then, it changes it into 120-volt or 240-volt AC power. This is the kind of power that most homes use. It has a peak power of 6000 W. So, it can handle big power needs for a short time. The WZRELB 3000-watt 36-volt split-phase inverter is useful for off-grid systems. Think of a cabin far from the city or a boat on the harbor. It lets you use regular appliances even without regular power. The WZRELB 3000-watt 36-volt split-phase inverter is designed to be very efficient. It can reach up to 91.6% efficiency. This means it wastes very little power during the switch. It has an LCD display. This screen shows you important information. You can see the voltage and other details. This makes it easy for the user to check how things are working. Professionals might like this feature for monitoring their power systems. It's like having a dashboard for your electricity. This WZRELB 3000-watt 36-volt split-phase inverter uses high-frequency technology. This helps to make it smaller and lighter than older inverters. It is built for off-grid living. So, if your location doesn't have easy access to the main power lines, this can be a great solution. It can power many things, from lights to even some gaming setups. While it's strong, remember not to exaggerate its abilities. It's a helpful tool for many power needs. Customer service for WZRELB products can provide more details if needed. Pros: 3000-watt continuous power, 6000-watt peak power, 36-volt DC to 120 V, 240-volt AC, high efficiency, up to 91.6%. LCD display, high frequency, for off-grid systems, can supply 120-volt and 240-volt at same time. Direct connection to circuit panel, multiple protections. Cons: may overstate continuous power, surge rating might be unreliable, could have loud fan noise. Some report capacitor failure, may not handle high surge loads well, cheaper build quality. Concerns: voltmeter attachment can be poor, potential for RFI interference, some units had initial voltage issues, longevity under heavy use is questioned, overload protection can be sensitive, instant quality. Reported features: split phase power, 3000-watt continuous power, 6 kilowatts peak power, 36-volt DC input, 120 versus 240 volt AC output, pure sine wave, high efficiency, 91.6%. LCD display, high frequency design, off-grid system use. This WZRELB inverter takes 36-volt DC power and changes it into 120-volt or 240-volt AC power. Like what you use in your house. It can handle 3000 watts of continuous power and up to 6000 watts for a short time. When something starts up, it makes a clean and steady power flow, shown on a screen, and it's very efficient, saving you energy. This inverter is made for systems that are not connected to the regular power grid. The WZRELB 3000-watt 36-volt split-phase inverter can take power from a 36-volt battery and change it to 120-volt or 240-volt electricity. Like what you have at home. It can handle a lot of power for a short time, up to 6000-watt peak, and is pretty efficient. It has a screen to show you what's going on and is made for systems that are not connected to the regular power grid. You can even connect it straight to your home's electrical box to power things. However, some people have said that it might not always give you the full 3000 watt all the time. The strong burst of power it claims might not be reliable. The fan could be noisy, and some parts might break. There are also concerns about how well it's made, how good the voltage reader is, if it might mess with radio signals. if it could have had problems with the voltage at the start, and how long it will last if you use it a lot. Also, the safety shutoff for too much power might be too sensitive, and the quality of these inverters can be different from one to another.